80% of the human genome is actually junk DNA. And the problem would be that if we start messing around with that, what we're going to do probably eventually is we're going to activate some DNA in there that, when allowed to express, may actually turn out to be, ancient viruses that have been injected into the genome of humans, viruses maybe from 300, 400, 800,000 years ago. We could activate genetics that are technically no longer valid for humans, like genetic material from fish, frogs, whatever's in our ancient past, right? So, people talk about editing the genome as if it is something you could do in like a text editor with spell check, right? And that's just not how it works. And the way that it could lead to extinction is we might actually inadvertently create a superbug that would simply be inherently familiar to the human body. So there would probably be no defense since it's our own genome. So a super virus or have to be a virus because it's only DNA or even RNA. We could generate a retrovirus like a prion or something like that. And prions are really deadly. That's mad cow disease. So there's some nasty shit out there floating around. And the only reason this stuff doesn't nuke us right now is because of evolution. Basically, we've sorted it out and put it in a box and hid the box in our junk DNA. But, you start messing around with the human genome and editing things, and you pretend like you know what you're doing, and you may trip over something that's been sitting there for 5, 10, 50 million years.